Hi, this is Ruth from Artful Sass Design. I have made a couple of videos. In the earlier one, the first one, I went through and showed you this ephemera folder for the birds collection. So have a look at that. It shows you all the contents and gives you a little look at the ephemera holder itself. In addition, I made this little file folder. This is made just with file folder, and this is recycled envelopes. In fact, sorry, what am I talking about? So this is just made with recycled envelopes that come with, I'll just see if I can go a little bit closer. So it comes with junk mail and actually a lot from my bank for some reason, even though I've told them I want online statements. So I used the window envelopes and created this trifold. So there are 2 envelopes and a little mini one as well. So I'll just show you so these are all mostly based on images from my bird set, the new one in my Etsy store. So this is a nice big folder, a big tag, and this is a beautiful image of a princess with her swans and lots of room for writing on the back. I'll put that in again later. A little robin and some eggs on the front. There's also a little space there for an additional tag if you wanted one. Opening up inside, we have 2 additional flaps. So we'll go on the left hand side first. So there is 2 beautiful swans in this image, and here we have 2 little journal cards with some of the cute parrots in the kit. They just sit tucked in there. And there is another swan on the card. There's even some tiny swans on the tag holder at the top. So that one sits there. In the centre we have a deep pocket, and there's a little collage on the back. This is from the collage sheet that comes with the birds, and these 2 are slightly oriental looking journal cards, again with some tea-stain paper on the back. And they've got the big journal card there. I do need to put some ribbon on the top of that one. I think it would look nice. On this side we have the kingfisher, a little bit of collage from the there's a collage sheet. So when we open that up, there's a little belly band, and I tucked another swan and some more of the parrots. This one's got that beautiful pale green edging. The belly band is made of the duck eggs. Well, they might be ducks. The bigger ones must be swans or something, because they're very big. And then down to ordinary bird egg size. They're very beautiful. Here's the second in window envelope. So I've collaged this with different collage papers. I think this is from Pink Monarch Prints. I do like her collage papers. Very useful. Here we have a very oriental looking tag. So the ducks, but in a very oriental kind of silk frame. And lots of journal space in the back. And to be creative is to let little pieces of your heart go and place them into each project you make. I think that's very cute. And I tried to arrange it so that the birds were in the window, and it worked quite well. I liked the long shape of them. On the back, just another bit of the collage. Oh, did I show that one? I can't even remember now. Yeah. In this little pocket, there's another of a woodpecker this time, on a little collage tag, and a little postage stamp on the back. So it's very cute. And the back is another deep blue background for the 2 white swans, and it makes a beautiful pocket. And 2 pink, these are cockatoos from Australia, and some oriental ducks, and I've collaged a little bit on that one, so it looks very pretty. And these are just backed with tea-stained paper again, and that's it. So a cute way of using the birds to make a little file folder that could fit in any journal and I'll put some some nice cotton on that. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed that mini little view of the new